Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to pin a chat message for just one day on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is super handy for keeping important messages at the top of your conversations without cluttering them up with permanent pins. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your PC. This feature is part of the new updates, so it's essential to be up to date. Now let's dive into the steps. Open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You should see all your chats listed in the main window. Navigate to the chat where you want to pin a message. It could be a group chat or an individual conversation. Either way, the process is the same. Once you're in the chat, find the message you want to pin. This could be a reminder, an important note, or even a funny meme you want to keep at the top. Right-click on the message. A menu will pop up with several options, including the ability to reply, forward, or delete the message. Look for the pin option and click on it. Now, you'll be asked to choose how long you want the message to stay pinned. WhatsApp gives you three options: 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Since we're focusing on pinning for just one day, select the 24 hours option. Confirm your choice, and the message will be pinned at the top of the chat. When you pin multiple messages, WhatsApp will display a banner showing how many messages are pinned and give you a preview of the latest one. Clicking on this banner allows you to view all the pinned messages easily. Pinning messages is not only useful for keeping important information visible, but also helps in organizing your chats more efficiently. Whether it's a birthday reminder or a meeting note, this feature ensures you don't miss anything crucial. That's it. You've successfully pinned a message for one day on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is available for both individual and group chats, making it versatile and convenient. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.